Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's makeup tutorial is inspired by the season of autumn because currently in New Zealand we have autumn underway. It's literally been raining the whole time the past few weeks, and if you think that my voice is a bit different, it's because I was sick pretty much the whole of last week, but I just couldn't stay away. I felt like I was inspired by autumn and I just wanted to do this makeup tutorial for you guys. I have got my trusty hot cup of tea ready because I just don't want to cough on your face. But this is quite dangerous because I'm known to spill things on couches and beds, so let's put that down. Alright, thank you to everyone who commented on my last two videos. I'm actually running an April giveaway, so I'll link the video at the end of this. It's so simple, you just have to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want to get out of this year. Obviously, as you can see, this is the makeup look that you're going to achieve. Today I'm using the Tati's Pro palette. This is a palette that I actually really loved when I first got it, and then when I got the Naked Heat palette, I think I was using it so much that I sort of forgot about this, but today I was like, nah, I'm just gonna use this palette and see what I come up with. And they actually have really nice colors for the autumn season, like especially the oranges, the purples, and the shimmery colors. Autumn is, to me, it's all about like shimmery gold, orange, brown, earthy colors mixed with like a plum lip or a dark red lip. It does not, however, mean that, you know, your makeup should be limited to those things during the autumn season. It's just what people are used to seeing during the autumn season, and it just looks festive for some reason as well. So I hope you like the video. I hope you try it. I hope you just, you know, throw in other colors and come up with your own look. So let's go on ahead to the makeup tutorial and I will see you after. Now, as always, I've just done my foundation and my eyebrows so that we have a good base to work on. Now for these eyeshadow looks, you need to make sure that your eyes are primed. So today I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to make sure that everything just sticks and stays there. And the first thing that I'm going to do is put this color Whimsy on my crease. Just get a generous amount and blend all of that into the crease. And just get a generous amount at the outer corner as well. And just try and match it on both sides. I mean, obviously it's not going to be identical, but try and match it as much as you can. At the same time, I'm actually going to put it onto my lower lids as well. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful purple drama color, and I'm going to put it at the outer corner of my eyes. And when you do this, come towards the crease as well, because essentially what we're doing is just building on those layers. You want to still see that whimsy color beyond the crease, but you want a little depth, and that's why we're going ahead with this purple. Make sure you put some of that underneath as well. Next, I'm going ahead with this sort of lighter purple color called Mod, and that's going to go at the inner corner of my eyelid. And put a little bit underneath as well. And at this stage, if you want, you can use the first color that you used and just blend everything in. You want to have a slight transition from dark to light. As always, I need a bit of shimmer, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead with this beautiful purple minx color. I'm going to tap on a little bit right in the middle. And you can see instantly that it gives that 3D effect. If you want to enhance your inner corners a bit more, you can put that color right at the inner corner. This just opens up that eye space and just makes it look bigger, makes it look brighter. The next thing I'm going to use is my MAC Definitely Black Pro Longwear eyeliner. And I'm going to line the waterlines on my upper and lower eyelids. Next, I'm taking my trusty Urban Decay Razor Sharp Longwear Liquid Liner, and this is in the color Perversion. And you sort of want to make a dramatic cat eye essentially, or like a winged liner. Thankfully, the winged liner gods were with me today, and that looks pretty good. Mascara is next, and I'm using my L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar X Fiber. This first coat essentially lengthens your lashes, and what the fibers do is they attach themselves, they make it even longer and more voluminous. And then do the same to your lower lashes. Now I'm just going to run away and do my concealer and bronzer. And now for my favorite part, putting on lipstick. So I'm using this MAC Ruby Woo lip pencil to just line my lips. Today I'm using a mix. I'm going to first go in with my MAC matte lipstick in Sin, and then the second coat will be my Tom Ford lipstick in Nicholas. The first colour, Sin, is really dark, and I sometimes do use it just by itself, but I like to have it as a base so that the Velvet Tom Ford Nicholas just glides over it and gives that colour sort of a richness. To set the makeup, I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime in the in the fragrance Rose. This is beginning to be one of my favorites. So you just spritz it on and then you're done. So that is it, guys. That is my autumn season inspired makeup. I hope you liked it. I hope you will take on, you know, some of the techniques and just mix it up, make it your own, and just have fun. Thank you to all you lovely beings who have left comments, who have liked my videos and watched my videos, subscribed. You give me that boost of confidence and that support that I need to make more videos, so thank you so much. And if you're watching this video and haven't subscribed, please do and support my channel. And as always, leave comments about the makeup look or just any other looks that you want to see or any suggestions that you have for me, because I read all of them, I reply to all of them, and I take all of them into consideration. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll leave that link to the April giveaway. You still have 5 days left, so get amongst it. I'm gonna try and rest. I'm gonna try and rest my voice as well, finish my cup of tea, and I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, have an amazing week ahead.